Hi, I'm Thompson, songwriter, musician, and author, and I am hoping to raise some money for my various projects. Here's the cover for my first CD, made in '07. All original songs. And then, in 2012, I came out with my book, Extreme Times, Diary of an Eco-Buddhist. And then just this year, there's a new cover. That's the earth behind Buddha Amitabha. I have done a reading of chapter 1 of The Way of the Bodhisattva with musical accompaniment. The new CD, which is my main focus, is going to be called Prayer Wheel. I have little prayers of different religions in there, and also mentioning that prayer in Tibetan really means wish, like you wish something to happen. So even if you're not into praying, everybody has some kind of wishes, at least for happiness for themselves. So here's a sample of a song I want to put on my new CD called Wind Horse. I am on a blind horse, riding in the sun. Even though I cannot walk, my wind horse can run. Even though I cannot walk, she takes me through the day. Even though she cannot see, I can see the way. Riding on the wind, riding on the breath. I'm looking for support for my new projects. My other projects are distribution of my book and creation of a new book of poetry. The cost for my Prayer Wheel CD will include studio time, musicians, mastering, artwork. I want to make a beautiful CD. In my own little way, I want to help people find happiness and be free of suffering, especially during these hard times. And you can be part of this. Thank you.